Hi guys, good evening. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to do a DIY for you. Now, this home decor is going to incorporate these, I'm not quite sure what they are. You use them to make scarves. They're for embroidery. I'm not sure. I hauled them from the Dollar Tree and love the color. Love the fridge that's on there. It's just the French. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. I'm sure you guys have seen it. So I want to create something with it. So I'm going to do the cylinder and we will see how it turned out. I love the craziness of this. So we're going to do something fun and wild. Okay. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. We are going to experiment today and have fun. Okay, this home decor is going to incorporate a cylinder from the Dollar Tree. One of these things for a scarf. They're not, what are those things called? Embroidery, threads, or yarn. I don't think it's a yarn, so I'm not quite sure what to call it. You'll need diamond wrap, your glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. We'll get started on this and see what we come up with. Alright, first thing we want to do is lay some glue down. If you guys, I'm sure you guys know, someone knows what this is called. Please enlighten me. Okay, so I'm going to take this all the way around and as far as I can take it, and then come back just before I add the diamond wrap so you have an idea of where I'm going with this decor. I know you can't see it very well down below, but I'll be back and you'll have a better view. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. A little shaggy. I think it's adorable. I think it's cute. So what I'm thinking now is I want to possibly put it on a stand. But that will be the last. What I want to do, I don't know if I shared with you guys that I hauled this from the Dollar Tree. They have them in gold and teal and purple and silver. Those are the colors that I saw at my Dollar Tree. So I want to put that on here. So let's measure it. I think to be on the safe side, I will go up one. I like the whimsical feel of this DIY. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Now this comes with an adhesive on the back, and I'm not going to peel it all the way, and I do want to push down onto the fabric. peel back a little bit more, push down onto the fabric, and make sure you're low to so this is the look I'm going for. Now, guys, you can use this as a lantern. You can use it as a candle holder. I think it's whimsical, very girly, cute. So I hope you're liking it so far. Normally, I like to purchase things. I don't know what it's for, but if I like it, I'm going to purchase it, and then I'll figure out later on what to do with it. Well, this is the case with this particular fabric. And I'm loving it. I think it's very, very girly. This would be cute in a girl's cave. You know, they've got the men's cave. Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, come back and show you what the finished product looks like. We're finished. I think it's adorable. So, this is what I decide. I want to go ahead and put it on a clear Dollar Tree candle stick. So, I'm going to add a generous amount of glue onto here. Make sure it's centered. Guys, I think this is a perfect lamp. So, I want to go ahead and add my Dollar Tree light that I shared with you guys before. Go ahead and put that down in there. And as usual, we're going to hot glue it and put a generous amount of glue, guys. We're going to hot glue it as close to the glass as possible. Hold it in place, let it dry. I'll come back with the light on. Guys, so I decided to try it onto my small Dollar Tree candle holder, and I really love the way that looks. But my daughter Jasmine, she loved the concept, but she preferred it on the tall glass. So I am not going to put it on either one. I'm going to let you guys decide which one you prefer. I am going to go ahead and turn my light on. How adorable is that, guys? I love it. I'm so glad that I've chosen the fabric, even though I still don't know what to call it. I think that's a perfect night light. It's very girly. I think it would be perfect for a little girly room. Okay? Let me know what your thoughts are. What do you think? What you would prefer? Which one you would prefer? Alright, give me a thumbs up, leave me a message, and share with your family and friends. I thank you so much, guys. I will see you soon.